to Charlotte, the Grove Point Park. Let me set the stage for you. Right now, national local media.